So check this out. I mean, look at it though. Tell me this wasn't textbook again. Everybody see this?
True.
This line was drew out way before this hit down here, but we knew it from here. So,
Yeah, and I have that line. Yeah.
well, here's the thing. Your play isn't until it breaks and holds below, right?
Okay.
Because remember, we talked about this yesterday. If it doesn't break and hold, and then you start to pull it down, it does exactly what happens here. It comes down, bounces. This is
Okay.
exactly what we talked about yesterday. If we're trying to get into it early, we're going to get burned every time when it does that.
Got
So,
it. Okay. I thought the confirmation was it just breaks through, not that
no,
we
no,
wait
no.
to okay. All
Yeah,
right. So my mechanics were wrong. Okay.
yeah. It's got to break through and hold. So that's why I said you'll miss the initial, like if it's going to, you'll miss the original pull, right?
Hmm.
But that's okay. You need confirmation. Otherwise, you're going to get burned every time it makes this move.
Okay. Thank you.
Is that similar for when it goes above VWAP or below? You want it to
Absolutely.
break over and below, and then
Yep.
have a candle showing, above or
Same.
below that. Okay.
Every time. Every time it has to break and hold. You will miss a little bit of the action, like say it's popping way up. That's okay. It's better than getting burned thinking it's going to
Right.
move.
It's a less risk.
That's right. You're taking way less risk, right? To make sure
Yeah.
you get rewarded.